Hello everybody, welcome back again to my kitchen. This is another day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you all for always coming around to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made these delicious looking beans. This is what we call beans porridge, or just leave it as beans. It is prepared with black eye beans, the black eye beans. Unfortunately, I didn't record the pack, but as you can see, it is black eye beans. You can use any beans of your choice. You can use red beans, you can use the white beans, you can use lemon beans. It depends on what your choice is. So I will go ahead and allow you guys to see the process. Over here in the pot, I have the beans that I'm going to boil. It is already been pre-boiled. I do this just to remove some chemicals that most of this food is being preserved with chemicals, like to keep insecticides or any other weevils away from it. So I pre-boil and I wash out the first layer of water. I don't know if you guys saw how dark the water is. I don't know if that is the color of beans, but I presume that they must have preserved this with chemicals. So I have to wash the first layer of water out. I did the second wash, and I still running in water to wash off everything. So now the beans is a bit clear. You can see the water in it is a little bit clear compared to the first wash that I did. Now I'm going to add onion. I saw my mom adding onion into beans while she's cooking it, and she told me that it reduces the gas. I don't know how true that is. So if you know about it, leave me a comment in my comment section. I have the ingredients I'm going to use: the bell pepper, the scotch bonnet, pepper, onion, and my salt is there, my seasoning, my chicken bouillon. Everything I'm going to use is over there. My tomatoes and bell pepper and my ingredients are ready. I have washed them and is ready to be blended. So at this point, I am distributing them into the blender, as I will go ahead and blend them into the texture that I want it to be. Now they are in the blender. I just added a little water so that it will be easy for the blender to chop up the chunks. You have to blend till it becomes fine, like liquidy, purine form. You can see it's looking like a puree, not too liquid. It's thick enough to be easily cooked or fried. Yes, I can still see some particles. It depends on how you want it. If you would like to see the pieces of the bell pepper, it's okay, but I want this to blend more. So this is the beans. It is cooking, and I'm going to check if it is soft enough. At this point, I'm going to add my salt, because I remember my mother also taught me that this is the point where you add salt. You don't add salt as you start cooking it, because that will make it to take a longer time for it to get cooked and get soft. You can see it is soft. Now I'm frying my onion. You have to fry your onion so that you get out the flavor into the oil. This time I have to fry the blended tomatoes and cool. The onion, the bell pepper, everything is in that pot. Give it a quick turn. Turn it around so that they will all combine together. You see, at this point you are not seeing much oil. Now it is frying, it is cooking. You can see. So this is the way you know that your tomatoes are well fried, well cooked, because all the oil will now gather on top of it. You can see even the oil has changed color. This is how you know that your sauce is well fried. Yes, guys, like this, share and subscribe. This is still the plain beans. You have to turn it. Make sure it is not burning. Make sure it is not. So now I am distributing the fried sauce that comprises the bell pepper, the onion, and the scotch bonnet pepper with well seasoned stew into the pot of beans. You see how I'm distributing it in the pot of beans. I'm going to mix it together. This is the way I like to cook my beans. I fry my stew very well and mix it up together. With this, your beans will never taste sour, because the tomatoes, everything is well fried. Give it a quick mix so that everything will combine together. Mix it very well. You have to taste for salt. Make sure it is well flavored to your own taste. You have to cover up the pot so that everything will cook combined together. You allow it to simmer. Now give it a quick turn again. Make sure that your beans is not burning. Turn it very well. You taste for your flavor. If it's not too salty, you add a little bit. Make it the way you like it. If you choose to eat salty food, it's okay. It depends on what you like. As long as your food is cooked, that is the most important thing. Definitely it will have some good flavor. Like I'm telling you, it was delicious. The food is getting ready. you allow it to simmer. This time you reduce your heat. Thank you all. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. You see, I have broccoli in my food. You can eat this in any way you like. You can eat it with fried plantain, boiled potato. Eat it in any form that you like. You can eat it like this. It comes out delicious. This is black eyed peas, black eyed beans. That is what I use. You can use any beans of your choice, guys. Thank you all for taking out your time to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. You all have a blessed, wonderful day.